In the event that you're searching for Nexo cost expectations figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of Nexo will sort of go from here on out. We will dissect the very past costs of Nexo, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities, which is genuinely critical. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this expectation in each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts in an unobtrusive way. Also, anticipating something so ideal, all things considered, is totally unthinkable, which is genuinely critical. Yet, we will in a real sense make an honest effort. How about we start, or so they thought, Nexo pretty past value examination in an unpretentious manner. As per the sort of the most recent information assembled, the ongoing cost of Nexo is 57 cents, and Nexo in every way that really matters is presently sort of position number 100 in the whole crypto biological system in a significant manner. The flow supply of Nexo in every way that really matters is 560,011,011, with a market cap of $318,397,553. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every practical sense has been diminished by 0.96% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Nexo is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins, which is genuinely critical. The Nexo is down to nearly 13% in the genuinely most recent 7 days. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could have areas of strength for exceptionally at the same time. We don't feel that it would a productive resource in present moment. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo diminished by 21.663%, killing an incredible normal amount of 16 cents from its sort of current worth. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent sort of purchase, a potential open door for speedy venture. The 90 days cost change is near 14.41%. And the cost flowed from a base truly normal cost of 66 cents to most extreme normal cost of 69 cents in the beyond 90 days, or so they thought. Nexo is somewhere near 16.34%, with the greatest pretty typical cost of the coin, for the most part, was around 83 cents, and the base typical value of was around 70 cents in beyond 4 months. Amazingly, we certainly anticipate future Nexo cost expectations. Nexo estimate, by applying profound man-made consciousness, helped specialized examination on the essentially past value information of Nexo. We give a valiant effort to gather pretty greatest verifiable information for the Nexo coin, which incorporate commonly numerous boundaries like fundamentally past value, Nexo market cap, Nexo volume, and essentially hardly any more. Assuming you are shifting focus over to sort of put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money, and sort of need kind of good profit from your speculations, sort of try to peruse our expectations, which is genuinely critical. Nexo value expectation 2023 Nexo cost is figured to sort of arrive at a most reduced commonly conceivable degree of 87 cents in 2023, in an especially significant manner. According to our discoveries, the Nexo cost could explicitly arrive at a truly most extreme fundamentally conceivable degree of $1.01. With the typical figure cost of 91 cents. Nexo value expectation 2024. The cost of one Nexo is supposed to for the most part reach at the very least degree of $1.24 in 2024, which is very huge. The Nexo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.50, with the fundamentally normal cost of $1.28. All through 2024. Nexo value figure for 2025, according to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2025, the cost of Nexo for the most part is supposed to reach at least value worth of $1.72, which sort of is genuinely huge. The Nexo cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $2.15, with the genuinely normal worth of $1.79, incredibly, in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value expectation 2026. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2026, the cost of Nexo generally is anticipated to reach at a really least degree of $2.58. The Nexo cost can in a real sense arrive at and in every practical sense, greatest degree of $2.99, with the typical exchanging cost of $2.65. Nexo Value Expectation 2027. As per our sort of profound specialized examination on past value information of Nexo, in 2027, the cost of Nexo is determined to fundamentally be at around a base worth of $3.50. The Nexo value worth can arrive at a limit of $4.54, with the typical exchanging worth of $3.63. In United States dollars. Nexo Value Expectation 2028. Nexo cost is gauged to arrive at a least essentially conceivable degree of $4.89 in 2028, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. According to our discoveries, the Nexo cost could arrive at a greatest truly conceivable degree of $6.01, with the typical figure cost of $5.07. Nexo Value Forecast 2029. The cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at least worth of $7.24 in 2029. The Nexo cost could arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $8.49, with the typical exchanging cost of $7.44 all through 2029, in an essentially significant manner, which basically is genuinely critical. Nexo Value Gauge 2030. The cost of Nexo is anticipated to, in every way that really matters, reach at the very least degree of $10.76 in 2030. The Nexo cost can really arrive at a greatest degree of $12.54, with the fundamentally normal cost of $11.14 all through 2030, in spite of mainstream thinking, which is very huge. Nexo Value Expectation 2031. The cost of Nexo is generally anticipated to reach at a really least worth of $15.31 in 2031. The Nexo cost could truly arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $18.59, with the very normal exchanging cost of $15.87, all through 2031. Or so they thought. Nexo Value Forecast 2032. As per our truly profound specialized examination on fundamentally past value information of Nexo, in 2032, the cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $22.87. The Nexo cost can in a real sense arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $26.87, with the especially normal exchanging cost of $23.51. What amount does Nexo cost in 2024? The cost of Nexo will increment as basically more financial backers engage in the venture. In year 2024, Nexo will in every way that really matters be somewhat worth about a normal cost of $1.28. Is Nexo an essentially wise speculation? Nexo's esteem is supposed to keep on extending, as lack will in general and power cost rise, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. If it's not too much trouble, note, there in every practical sense, is a gamble to any venture, which is genuinely huge. Only sort of put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and direct the most extreme exploration conceivable, or so they thought. How much will Nexo essentially be worth in 5 years in opposition to prevalent thinking?